Hey, are you ready for the 12/12 sale? Remember, number one, to submit in the 12/12 campaign all your promotion items here. Okay, look here, you need to press join. And tip number two, not only that, you need to submit your campaign vouchers, 12/12 campaign vouchers under here, voucher campaign, and you submit your 12/12 vouchers. And then tip number three, okay, under promotions, make sure that you already have all your promotions going on. For example, flexi combo, vouchers, make sure you have joint free shipping, all those to get massive sales and conversion during the 12/12. And of course, tip number four is make sure all your bubble wrap and your manpower and your tape, everything that you need during that day is sufficient to cover the massive orders. So I wish you guys all the best, and everybody, let's increase our sales during 12/12.